Good Enough to Eat, A Kid's Guide to Food and Nutrition by Lizzie Rockwell.
Babies cry when they're hungry. Dogs bark and howl. When you feel hungry, your stomach grumbles, your legs feel weak. You don't cry or howl, but sometimes you feel cranky. In the nick of time, your dinner is ready. It looks good, it smells good, it tastes good. As soon as you eat, you feel better. Hunger sends you strong signals. It lets you know that eating is the most important thing you do each day. The food you eat and drink keeps you alive. It builds, protects, and energizes your body. Food makes you able to grow, think, breathe, move, stay cool, stay warm, fight germs, heal, live. Nutrients are part of the food that your body uses to do its work. There are 6 different kinds of nutrients. You need large amounts of some nutrients and very small amounts of others in your diet. Carbohydrates, protein, fat. Every food contains at least one nutrient, but healthy foods have lots of them. Your body uses different nutrients in different ways. Water, vitamins and minerals, digestion is the way food is broken down so that nutrients can be absorbed into your body. For healthy digestion, you should eat plenty of fruits, vegetables, and whole grains. These foods supply fiber. Fiber does not get absorbed during digestion. It helps carry bad chemicals and excess fats out of your body. When you digest food, mouth grinds food and mixes it with saliva. The esophagus pushes food down your stomach. Stomach turns food and mixes it with acids and turns food into a thick liquid. Small intestine absorbs nutrients through its spongy lining. Nutrients enter the bloodstream. Large intestine absorbs water and leads unused parts of food out of your body when you go to the toilet. As soon as food is digested, nutrients start to work. Carbohydrates, protein, and fat gets turned into energy. The amount of energy they supply is measured in calories. You use a lot of energy to run and play. You also use energy to stay warm, pump blood, breathe, think, heal, and grow. Carbohydrates should supply most of the energy your body uses. You can detect carbohydrates in food just by taste. Foods that taste starchy or sweet contain carbohydrates. Starchy foods give long-lasting energy. Sweet foods give quick boosts of energy. The energy from very sweet foods is used up very quickly. Protein supplies energy. It also builds and repairs your muscles, skin, brain, blood, bones, and internal organs. You get protein when you eat animal food such as fish, meat, eggs, milk, and cheese. You also get protein from plants. The parts of a plant that can sprout and grow, such as seeds, dry beans, and peas, nuts, and grains, are good sources of protein. Just as an old-fashioned lantern burns oil, You burn fat for heat and energy. Fat also makes food taste good, but it's easy to eat too much fat. Fat has more calories than the other parts of food. If you eat more calories than you need, the unused calories are turned into body fat. Eating too many fatty foods can make you heavy. Fat is in vegetable oil, butter, and cream. You can also see fat in the white and yellow parts of uncooked meat and chicken. Often you cannot see the fat you're eating. To find out where fat is hiding, get a large piece of paper, a pencil, and some foods. Number 1, rub a bit of each food onto the paper. 2, label the spots as you go. 3, let the spots dry overnight. Hold your paper up in the light. Light will glow through the spots made by foods containing fat. You don't need to worry about having too much water in your diet. Water is your body's main ingredient. 70% of your body, including your blood, saliva, tears, urine, and sweat, is made with water. Water escapes easily from your body. In a day, you lose 2 cups of water just by breathing. When you cry, go to the bathroom, and sweat, you lose even more water. But as it leaves your body, water carries out waste and cools you. Vitamins and minerals are needed in tiny amounts to perform many important jobs in your body. They help all the nutrients in food work together. Vitamin C. Vitamin C helps my skin to heal. Vitamin A. With the help of vitamin A, I can see well even in the dark. B-complex vitamins. Vitamins are only found in plants and animals, like B-complex vitamins. B vitamins help me fight germs and infection. B vitamins turn protein, fat, and carbohydrates into energy. B vitamins also keep my brain and nerves working well. They help me feel happy. Minerals are tiny particles of rock and metal. Calcium. Calcium helps build and repair my skeleton and teeth. Iron. Iron helps build red blood cells, which bring oxygen to my brain, heart, and muscles. The best way to get all the vitamins and minerals you need is to eat a variety of fresh foods, including plenty of fruits and vegetables. Sodium. Sodium is often added to foods for flavor as a preservative found in, and potassium is found in these. Sodium and potassium work together to control my body's water balance, but be careful, it's easy to eat too much sodium, but it's hard to eat too much potassium. It's important to eat at least 5 servings of fruit and vegetables each day. Today, what will you choose? Food helps keep you alive, healthy, and strong. It gives you energy and makes you grow. Food is fun to make. And food is fun to eat. Here are some recipes at the end. More about calories. Calories measure the amount of energy supplied by food. A teaspoon of fat has twice as many calories as a teaspoon of protein or carbohydrates. Vitamins and minerals, water, and fiber supply no calories. Every day you should eat about as many calories as you use. This is easy if you avoid eating foods with a lot of fat and sugar and get plenty of exercise. And a little note, about Lizzie Rockwell, the author. The end.